Recently, I received a Physio-Stim which happened to be broken. These devices take electromagnetic waves and help stimulate your bone growth. And in this video, I'm going to go over the precise restoration process. So enjoy. So this component to the middle of the screen is the component I'm testing. So let's see if I'm right. So as you can see, the light is blinking and the circuit is running. So I think that seems to be the only problem. And this is for the Orthofix Physio-Stim. I can't speak on any other devices, so yeah, that's about it. So since I deduced that the fuse was the problem, I basically soldered a new fuse on top of the broken fuse, and now I have a path around the broken fuse, and I'm going to test the output of the machine using an amplifier, because the amplifier picks up radio frequencies and other frequencies as well, and that includes the Physio-Stim, because that actually emits the electromagnetic waves that stimulates your bones to get them growing. So let's put all of this theory to the test. Yeah, so I hear something. Yep, it sounds like there's alternating current. Alright, so this is the Physio-Stim put all back together. So let's test it. Yep, it's definitely the Physio-Stim making that noise. Yeah, especially when you get near the blue capacitor, which is the input of the amplifier. Yeah, you really get the noise. Yep, that indicates alternating current definitely. So yeah, it's fixed. And I just ran out of power, so alright. Doesn't last very long. After having the Physio-Stim cleaned, I'm going to have another amplifier test to see if it truly works. So here it is, nice and fully clean. And now, I'm going to turn it on. Yep, seems to be working. Alright, so that's how you do it. As you can see, the restoration was well worth the time spent. Now, one thing I must say is that as I was replacing the fuse is rated for an amp of current, and some 9-volt batteries, namely lithium 9-volt batteries, supply more than an amp of current. So I wouldn't use those batteries to power the device. For a safe bet, I would use alkaline 9-volt batteries. So that's all the information I have on this device. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. See ya.